Section 1. A Real Estate Rock Star. Meet Ray. Ray is not just any real estate agent. He's a phenomenon in the industry. The real estate world is full of dreamers. People who envision themselves closing big deals and living the high life. Everyone wants to close deals and make millions. The allure of success is strong, but the path is not easy. But few are willing to put in the work. The late nights, the endless data analysis, the constant hustle. Even fewer have what it takes to be a true rock star. Ray is different. He embodies the spirit of perseverance and excellence. This guy is the real deal. His expertise in analyzing market trends and crafting strategies is unparalleled. He closed a jaw-dropping 160 land deals in just 4 months. That's insane. It's a feat that leaves many in awe. Most people won't even sell 160 properties in their entire careers. So, what's Ray's secret? Is he just lucky? Or is there more to his story? Did he inherit a fortune? Nope. Ray's journey is one of grit and determination. Ray's success comes from hard work, smart strategies, and a deep understanding of the market. He spends countless hours studying market data and trends. He knows how to find opportunities that others miss. His keen eye for detail sets him apart. Ray isn't afraid to take risks, but they're calculated risks. He evaluates every move meticulously. He always has a plan. Every step he takes is part of a well-thought-out strategy. Ray's journey wasn't always easy. He started with nothing. No connections, no capital, just a dream and a relentless drive. He worked his way up, learning from every deal. He faced rejection. Many doors were closed in his face. He even lost money sometimes, but he never let these setbacks define him. But those setbacks didn't stop him. They fueled him. Each failure was a lesson, each rejection a stepping stone. Ray learned from his mistakes. He adapted, he evolved, and he grew stronger with each challenge. He got back up stronger. His resilience is what makes him a true rock star in the real estate world. And now, he's one of the most successful land investors out there. His name is synonymous with success. What can we learn from Ray? A lot. His journey is filled with valuable lessons for anyone looking to succeed. His story is an inspiration. It shows that with determination, hard work, and the right strategies, success is within reach. It proves that with the right mindset and strategies, anything is possible in real estate. Ray's journey is a testament to that. Stay tuned to learn about his winning formula. We'll dive deep into the strategies that have made Ray a legend. I guarantee you, it's pure gold. The insights you'll gain are invaluable and can transform your real estate journey. Section 2. Decoding Ray's winning formula. Okay, let's break down Ray's secret sauce. What makes him stand out in the competitive world of real estate? First, he understands the power of niche markets. This is a crucial element in his strategy. While everyone else is fighting over the same properties, Ray focuses on something different: land. This unique focus sets him apart. Land is a hot commodity. People always need it, whether it's for building homes, businesses, or even just holding for future appreciation. Land is valuable. Its value tends to increase over time, making it a smart investment. Ray also leverages technology like a pro. He stays ahead of the curve by using the latest tools and software. He doesn't just scroll through listings like everyone else. He uses advanced tools to find off-market deals. These tools give him access to properties that others might miss. These are properties that aren't even listed publicly yet. This gives him a huge advantage. He can secure deals before they hit the market. He can approach sellers before anyone else even knows the property is available. This early bird approach often leads to better deals, but technology is just one piece of the puzzle. It's a tool, but not the only one in his arsenal. Ray understands the importance of building relationships. Networking is a key component of his success. He networks with everyone: other investors, real estate agents, contractors, even local officials. These relationships are invaluable. These connections give him access to information and opportunities that he wouldn't have otherwise. They open doors that would remain closed to others. Finally, Ray is a master of automation. He knows how to make his business run smoothly and efficiently. He uses systems and processes to streamline his business. Automation helps him manage multiple deals simultaneously. This allows him to handle a high volume of deals without getting bogged down in paperwork and busy work. Efficiency is key to his success. That means he can focus on what he does best: finding and closing deals. His streamlined approach frees up his time for the most critical tasks. Stay tuned, because we're about to dive into Ray's negotiation secrets. You won't want to miss the next part of this series.